Hello, welcome to the Optio Drive Assistant tutorial series by Infranor. Today, I am going to show you how to upload an existing project from Gem Drive Studio to Optio. Let's start by opening up Gem Drive Studio. Now, let's connect to our drive via serial communications. Next, click this button here to back up the drive files to your PC. These files are now stored in the project folder for Gem Drive Studio and saved in the SD card file. We are now going to save this project with the name Test so we can find it by its name in Optio. Let's open Optio Drive Assistant. Then click Start New Project with Auto Detection. Now click Detect to discover the drive, then click the drive and then click Connect. Now let's open the Files tab and change the setting to Gem Drive Studio, then click Restore From. Now let's find the location that the file is stored in. Once the file has been found, its name will be SD card. Now click OK to upload. You have now successfully uploaded your existing Gem Drive Studio project to Optio Drive Assistant. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out our website at infranorusa.com or our YouTube page Infranor USA.